So, welcome the interview series. So, this is our CSS interview question, the difference between display block inline or inline block. So, this is a very common question that interview. So, now we clear this topic. So, first of all, we have just to create to solve this problem and answer this question. We have just to create 12 divs for taking an example. Just like we have given some number of it firstly. So, so this is our 12 divs, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 div because we just have to differentiate between the block inline and inline block, okay? So just we take some example given some classes because we have to define something this question. So basically we just have to create a different classes, like we have 4 classes for block, okay, and 4 classes for inline, and after 4 classes for uh, inline block, okay. So after that we have to differentiate both 3, okay. So this is very important question. I have just to create a shorts video also, as you can see, okay. So we just differentiate this. 4 is the inline div, and 4, okay, and next class is 4 inline block, okay. So this is a very basic question. If you are facing this question in an interview, you can explain this way, okay. So this is another 4 class for inline block, okay. So if we given style of this, like first class is block, okay. So we just given some background color because we have to differentiate different, not mixing. So block color is red, inline div color is green, and inline block color is blue, okay, because we have to differentiate separately now, as you can see. Okay, wait a minute. So now I refresh this. So as you can see, this is a default value of a div, okay. So first of all, we just have to clear this block. Display block, it means to say the div is collect whole line, whole separate, okay. Take separate line a particular div. If we display is inline, so the all divs in a single line, okay. As you can see, the green color 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 4 inline divs. So as you can see the difference, so all divs in a single line, and in a block the all divs in a particular div in a particular line. And this display inline block means if you as you can see the right now we have to show the all divs in a single line, but it's a different something. Like you cannot adjust the height and width in inline display inline. Like 50 pixel is a height and width is also 50 pixel. Okay, so as you can see, no difference in a height and width. But if you set this height, if you want to set height and width, so you can use the display inline block, and you can see you can change the height and width. But when you use inline display inline, you cannot change height and width of a particular div. Okay, and as block element, if you set the height and width, you can change it, but only in the in display inline you cannot change the height and width. Okay, if you want to change the height and width, you can use the property of display block. So this is the interview question. Thank you so much. And this is the front end interview question, the CSS. This is a very basic question, so you can explain on this way. Okay, so I will create shorts also. You can see the some basic details also. Thank you so much.